Yung problema na nakikita ko, Mr. Sponsor, Mr. President, alam naman ng NIA na lahat ng mga probinsya na pinaglalagyan nila ng irrigation project nila, dinadaanan po ng typhoon. Isn't it about time na dapat they have to set a standard na kahit signal number 4 pa yan, signal number 5, wag naman sana, it can withstand that kind of extreme weather condition. Kasi sa ngayon, every single time na magkaroon ng bagyo, lahat ng proyekto ng NIA sa irrigation nagigiba. Why? Hindi ba na-anticipate nila yan? Na ang Pilipinas ay talagang pasukan ng bagyo? All year round, binabagyo tayo. And all year round, nasisira itong mga irrigation projects. Why? You should have anticipated that. Sana gumawa kayo ng mga proyekto na it can withstand up to signal number 4. Period. Bakit signal number 3, 4, giba? Meron pa nga dyan, signal number 2 lang, nagigiba eh. And mamaya, pakita ko sa inyo, signal number 2 lang, na bagyo, nagiba na agad yung irrigation project ngayon. Ibig sabihin, super, mega, substandard yung ginamit na materyales. Nakita niyo naman doon kanina sa video. Huwag na tayo maglokohan pa.
Yes,
Mamaya, magpapakita ko sa inyo ang ghost project nyo.
yes. With respect to the first video,
I'm sorry, I'm not mad at you, Mr. Sponsor. Ha?
I can understand your concern, distinguished Senator Raffy Tulfo. No? But thank you for that clarification. Sa
Kasi
akin-
mamaya, baka pa-change of rules ko eh.
yes.
Pero
The-
sige, ikaw na lang. Para medyo hilalamig-lamig ang ulo ko.
And according to the NIA, they do have a video that they can submit or present regarding the repairs that have been and the present status of Bulo series. That's one.
Excuse me, Mr. President, let me interrupt. Repairs, 50 million pesos for a certain repair at yung nakita nyo sa video, palitada lang. Pachi-pachi. Ganun ba tayo gumastos ng pera ng gobyerno? 50 million, pachi-pachi lang. Nakita nyo naman, tinusok lang ng farmer. Yung pinag-repair nyo, bumuhos na agad yung tubig. 50 million pesos na agad yun.
Ano, pasabit natin. Yes, but Mr. President, as Senator Tulfo was raising the issues, I said, is there a way that NIA can revisit and review and investigate, given that yung pinaka-latest status is September and Ocular was September 2025.
Yes, Mr. President. But yeah, it was September 2025. Pero consistent pa rin ang aming communication sa mga tao on the ground.
Yes, and
A
that
couple
too
of weeks ago, tumatawag pa rin kami doon sa aming asset, wala pa rin pagbabago. 2 weeks ago lang po yun.
Yes, and the commitment of NIA is they can look into this because of the concerns of Senator Tulfo. They are willing to conduct a internal investigation and submit the findings to the Senate and through your office, Mr. President. That's one. But they also would like to be allowed, if with your permission, to present the video of the latest, as far as they are concerned, and we'll put that on record. But that does not preclude or does not mean that they will not conduct an internal investigation on the latest Ocular as manifested and presented by Senator Tulfo. Are we, with the permission of Senator Tulfo? Yes.
Oh, yeah, my question is, are we talking about Bulo Small Reservoir?
Bulos, no? Ito muna.
Is that the
Yes.
Bulo? Okay.
Bulos.
Bulo.
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 And besides, sir, wala namang 50 million na ginastos kasi yung plan yan lamang po yung
Ano yan, 50,000?
50 million. 50 million, 5 million. 20.
No, I don't understand.
Di ba September na tayo nag-visit? Okay. Siguraduhin nyo lang, hindi inedit yan ha. Ipapakita nyo. Kasi papakita ko sa expert yan kung talagang
Yes, according
legit ba yung video na yan or merong konting editing na ginawa. Photoshop or whatever.
structures, improving irrigation canals, and ensure that Bulo Dam, located in Bulacan, was built to irrigate farmlands and support thousands of farmers. It has an actual service area of 418.48 hectares, benefiting 322 farmers from the municipalities of Doña Remedios Trinidad and San Miguel. NIA immediately implemented rehabilitation works, strengthening structures, improving irrigation canals, and introducing modern monitoring systems for efficiency and safety. From challenges to solutions, from oversight to action, Bulo Dam stands as a lifeline for farmers and a pillar for food security. This is Bayanihan. This is Bagong Pilipinas.
That is, well, according to the NIA, that is as of October 2025.
Mr. President, siguro kung ipakita niyo yun sa isang kindergarten, magpapalakpak. Wag po kami, mga Pilipino. Ang pinakita niyo video, PR video ang tawag dyan. At gumastos pa kayo, I'm sure. Libo-libo ginastos dyan. Ang gusto ko makita, yung mismong structure. How was it prepared? Yung bang palitada na tinusok lang ng farmer gamit ng isang maliit na bakal, tumagas na agad yung tubig. Yun yung pakita nyo. Huwag yung pakita nyo mga farmland, pakita nyo yung hepe ng NIA na nagpapapogi, papakita yung mga damo, yung palay na tumutubo. Huwag ganon. Huwag tayong maglokohan dito. Ipakita nyo yung struktura na may defect after it's been repaired. Kaya nga, bakit yun pinakita? Pakita nyo yung structure. Yung
Yes,
sa video kasi pinakita ko na palitada lang
I
ang ginawang
agree.
repair.
I
Pakita
agree.
nyo sa amin ngayon, Mr. President,
Yes,
kung anong klaseng repair ang ginawa.
Namali, sir. Namali ng ano.
I agree, Senator Tulfo. As I was watching the video, I said, oh, nasaan dyan yung sagot doon sa tanong ni Senator Tulfo? Wala. Apparently, mali pala yung video. They have another...
Okay, take two tayo.
Yeah.
Take two.
Kumbaga sa take two. Cut.
Well, please, i-edit nyo na yung papogi.
Yes, sir.
Magbibigay ka ng mga figures na ito'y para sa mga farmers, ikabubuti ng farmers, pinapakain, etc. Huwag yun. Structure agad, direct to the point. Huwag na tayo magpaligoy-ligoy.
So,
Pakita yung structure.
and
Tapos pakita niyo yung, Mr. President, pakita yung mga tao na nagre-repair, kung anong klase ginawang repair, pakita kung anong mga materials ang nilagay doon sa struktura para ma-address yung issue ng butas-butas na struktura, etc. Huwag yung papogi. Huwag yung PR video. Galing po ako sa media, no? Alam ko kung ano yung video na papogi lang at alam ko kung ano yung video na ina-address talaga kung ano yung issue. In this case, the issue wasn't addressed. My question wasn't answered.
yes, and that's why they are now, well, they are apologizing that they presented the wrong
The wrong video.
video.
Okay.
And now they will present the
The right
correct one
video.
that will answer the issues raised on Bulo. May we have the...
Second video.
Tsaka, sir, besides, nasi-
Can we have the video?
Baka wala naman. Kung wala na,
Photos,
sige.
the photos. Yes, exactly. It's not going to be a video. It's their photos as of October 25,
Yes, sir.
2025. And according to the administrator, Mr. President, the Bulo irrigation dam was constructed and completed in 2014.
Started in 2014.
Sorry, started
2022, I think.
Sorry, started in 2014
Completed in 2022.
and completed in 2022.
Tsaka yung
And then nasira noong 2023. 1
Nasira.
year lang, giba na agad. God damn. I'm sorry.
Sir, yung kasi
After 1 year, for 8 years,
Ito na.
8 years ginawa yung project, and then 1 year, sira na agad. Anong klaseng proyekto ito? Okay, sige.
So, explain to me.
ah,
So the one that is encircled is the damage
Okay.
on the left side. And this is as of October 2025 on the right side. It has been repaired by the contractor, Mr. President,
What kind of
at
repair?
no cost to the
No.
government. And as to the kind of repair, this was also inspected by our, it was retrofitted and inspected by our regional office and was accepted.
Can I see the inspection report, Mr. President?
Yes, and also the repairs were likewise accepted by the Irrigators Association. And yes, we will submit the supporting documents, Mr.
Inspection
President.
report. Now, bakit malayo ang kuha, Mr. President? Bakit hindi close up? Para makita natin yung eksaktong repair na ginawa.
Hindi rin ito close up, but that
Malayo,
too,
Mr. President.
yes.
And then what kind of materials were used?
Okay, this is the siphon and the repairs that were
Kasi,
dati
Mr.
kasi sinara na, no?
open po dati, sir.
Dati nakabukas yan
Pinaklose ko.
at pinasara na para mas protektado.
Yes, sir.
So that is the latest. Sarado siya dahil at no cost to the government.
At no cost. Mr. President, I'm not an expert. I'm not an engineer. Pero using common sense, hindi naman siguro ako pwedeng lokohin o yung mga taong nanonood sa atin ngayon. Ang nangyari niyan, nilagyan lang ng palitada and then pininturahan. Konting kiskis para maging makinis. Ganon ang ginawa ng NIA. Mr. President.
According to the NIA, it was not just palitada. There was actually a steel casement.
So, I give you a challenge. Pupunta tayo, staff ka staff mo. Pag napatunayan na patsi-patsi lang ginawa, someone has to resign. Are you willing to resign? Challenge taken. Good.
Mr.
Please.
President, may we request that instead of that the NIA administrator refer his answer to me so that I can
Okay.
place it on record. The NIA administrator, upon the challenge of Senator Tulfo, yes, said one, they're willing to go to the site and inspect it, and
And of
two,
course, we're going to bring experts, engineers, independent.
and two,
Observers.
if it is found out that in fact, as alleged by our good senator, that there are defects in the repairs, the administrator has said he's willing to resign.
And
So
we will
he
do,
vouches for
Yeah.
the integrity of the repairs undertaken as accepted by the Irrigators Association as well.
and we'll do it next week, Mr. President.
Next week?
Challenge accepted. Very good. Thank you. Now, Lorenzo Construction was responsible for the construction and repairing of the project. But reports indicate that repairs were yung palitada nga lang. So, has NIA evaluated this contractor? Kasi nakita naman natin, may video tayo, nung last hearing, na palitada lang ang ginawa nilang repair. Did you call out the contractor about doon sa kanilang washi-washi na
Yes.
trabaho?
Well, according to the administrator, and I understand this, the dam itself was constructed by Lorenzo, but the canals the irrigation facilities that are connected to the dam was awarded to a local minor contractor. So iba ho yung Lorenzo, dun yun sa dam, pero dun sa irrigation canals, anong pangalan?
Marami po kasi yearly ang allocation.
So several local contractors from Bulacan.
So,
They are willing to submit the list of all the local contractors that over time, over several years, that did the repairs, construction rather of the irrigation facilities.
so, Mr. President, ang ibig ko sabihin, yung contractor na gumawa ng struktura. Kasi defective eh.
This would then be the
Nagkabutas-butas eh. And then
these
nagpadala ng tao, kung samang tao yung Lorenzo ba yun o bagong contractor, na palitada lang ang ginawang repair. Nakita niyo naman, tinusok lang ng pointed object yung foundation, tumagas na agad yung tubig. Who did the repair?
This nung tinusok, may we just be clarified, nung sinasabing ang tinusok at nasira, when was this, Mr.
That was in September
This year,
this year, Mr. President.
September 2025.
September 2025.
So the question is, who did the repairs for the system September 2025?
Kasi nasira po 2023 dahil dun sa bagyong Carding. So I would assume, ayan, oh, ayun,
RA Pahati.
ayan, tumatagas. Si
Pahati, RA Pahati Construction.
R.A. Bahati Construction. Yan, 50 million pesos ang ginastos dyan para i-repair. And yet, tinusok lang na maliit na bato, tumagas na agad yung tubig. And who's the contractor? Who was the contractor assigned to do the repair? Eh, bawiin natin yung 50 million.
Yes, according to the NIA, the amount was not 50 million.
And how much, Mr. President?
No.
Walang fund for maintenance. Lahat ng repair ay ginawa ng contractor.
Yes, and it was the contractor who shouldered the cost. If it was 50 million, that was not that was the contract amount in 2015, but that was not the amount used for the repairs, which number one was ang gumastos nun ay yung contractor under the contract, and number two, hindi 50 million ang naging halaga, baka mas mababa. Do
Mas
we have
mababa.
data as to what-
Okay, regardless, Mr. President, kung mas mababa, kasi yun yung sinabi nung mga farmers na nakausap namin. Pero di ba, pag gagawa ka na rin lang ng repair, make sure na maayos naman. Hindi naman ganon. Di ba? Ni-repair mo dahil na bagyo, and then isang pukpok lang ng bato, tanggal na agad yun. Yan, palitado yan, no? Oh. And then tubig tumagas. Kaya I doubt, yung pupuntahan natin next week, ganon din siguro mangyari. Pupukpukin lang natin yon, titibak yon, yan, pinalitada, and then pininturahan lang. Siguro ginamitan pa ng papel de lija o kung anong man tawag pampakinis para maging makinis tingnan. Kaya nga, malayo ang kuha, hindi close up. Ayan, close up yan.
Ano?
Yan, oh, hindi man lang pininturahan. Parang pinaglumaan ng panahon, Mr. President. Parang panahon pa ni Jose Rizal sa sobrang kalumaan,
So,
Mr. President.
Mr. President, according to the NIA, they are sure that this is no longer the case after the repairs.
Yes.
So, well, and if I may suggest, precisely because of this, that they have agreed to do the ocular next week, Mr. President.
Yeah, so ang kinuwang contractor para mag-repair after kasi pumunta kami September. So nirepair niyo siguro to, nalaman niyo na pumuntang staff ko, nagpadala siguro kayo ng tao, kailan? Kasi September, when we
Hindi siguro
visited the site.
madaling gawin ng mabilisan yun dahil according to the NIA, nalagay na yung steel encasement, hindi na ganito.
But that was only September 2025. September, October, November. It was only
Yes, and
2
that's
months
why I think, Mr. President, to clarify the issue, the ocular would be the best way
Exactly.
forward.
ago. Okay.
Because they're saying na meron ng metal encasement, hindi na ganyan.
Metal.
Tama?
Sa ilalim, sa metal ako.
Sa
Okay.
ilalim, hindi sa tabi.
Okay.
Sa ilalim,
Sige,
parang-
titingnan natin. Kasi September namin in-inspect yan at sabi ng mga farmers, wala raw sila nakita. Let's see. Now, ang kinuha niyong contractor para, Mr. President, mag-repair this time around ay R.A. Pahati. Tama ba?
That is
Tama.
correct. He is the contractor that completed the project, won the bid, completed the project in 2014,
2015.
2015, sorry. No,
Siya.
he won the project.
Yeah, and
He won the project.
completed the
Oh,
That's 2015,
okay.
Pahati.
Pahati.
And then
2015 yun, ha?
he repaired it.
Aha. He repaired. Ano ba nangyari? Anong resulta sa Blue Ribbon? Okay. Ano yan? AAA contractor, ano? Baka quadruple A pa siguro yan. Oh,
Yes, AAA contract.
Wow. AAA pala. Mhm. Ano pa? AAA tapos siguro gold medalist pa siguro sa pagdating sa mga pagiging contractor. The reason why I'm saying this, nagiging sarcastic na lamang ako. Alam nyo ba na ito ay kasama sa sinasabi na ngayon sa Blue Ribbon? Dahil sa flood control projects nila na questionable. Kasama to. R.A. Pahati.
That is correct. According to the NIA, they may have been involved in the flood control scandal today, but the project was,
But not yesterday.
I mean, nowadays. But the Pahati project was completed in 2015. So that was 10 years ago.
Years ago.
Okay, Mr. President. AAA, sige. Well, anyway, we'll wait na lang pagdating sa Blue Ribbon, pag tawag siya, yung sasabi na, yung sagot niya. But again, bago sa aking pangatlong question, Mr. President, ayusin niyo naman trabaho niyo dyan sa NIA. Alam niyo naman na binabagyo palagi ang bansa natin. All year round, pumapasok yung bagyo sa atin. Dapat, anticipated yun na yan na may darating na bagyo, let's say signal number 3, signal number 4, gawa kayo ng structure, dam, na it can withstand even signal number 5 typhoon. Na para hindi na masira kasi sa ngayon, Mr. President, Mr. Sponsor, every single year, lahat ng mga irrigation project ng NIA nasisira tuwing may bagyo.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, Mr. President, according to the DIA, the design standards are clear that it has to withstand signal number 4.
Yes, sir.
So they do designs to ensure that it would withstand the strongest typhoons. Now,
Just like Batabang and
so that is one area. Now, obviously, they need to ensure that these contractors comply with the standards. And they are saying that the specifications of these, all these NIA projects have to be complied with before any acceptance is made. Number one, we will repeat that. And two, that the Irrigators Association will have to accept. There is an acceptance. Unlike in the flood control projects na kahit na yung local government hindi alam na may proyekto pala sa kanila, dito maliwanag, alam ng Irrigators Association may proyekto at hindi lang nila alam, kailangan pa nilang tanggapin.
kasama sila sa witness.
at kasama sila sa pagtitestigo sa pagpirma ng kontrata.
Okay, Mr. President,
So this is a safeguard.
exactly. Sino nagsicertify, dapat independent body, na ma-ensure na yung isang proyekto ng irrigation ng NIA, kung sino man contractor gumawa noon, it can withstand signal number 4. In this case, sa Bulao, sa Bulo, sabi nyo, somebody certified or some people certified na it is strong enough to withstand a signal number 4 typhoon. Who did the certification? Sino-sino mga to? I need the names of these people.
Yes, apart from an inventory team that is in
Kasi
turn.
makasigmo na ako, Mr. President. Kasi sa lugar na yan, yung mga kubo-kubo nga, hindi nilipad eh. Yung mga bahay ng mga farmers na simple mga hollow blocks lang, hindi nagiba. Samantalang yan, butas-butas na agad. Pumunta tayo doon, yung mga bahay ng mga farmers na gawa lang mga hollow blocks, yero, hindi nagiba. Kung magkano na ginastos nila, baka wala pang 100,000. Pero ito, daan-daang milyon, signal number 4 daw, signal number 4, it can withstand signal number 4 daw, and yet nagiba. Hindi pa nakakaya, Mr. President? Yung mga bahay ng mga farmers, parang kubo-kubo lang, wala pa sigurong 20 mil lang, 50 mil, hindi nagiba. Hindi nagkabutas-butas. Pero ito, daan-daang milyon.
Hindi, according to the NIA, hindi naman daw nagiba. Nagkaroon
Leak, Mr. President.
nagkaroon ng mga leaks.
Leak, nagtuklap-tuklap. Why? Yun nga lang po. Ibig sabihin yan, substandard. At yung mga nag-inspect, kaya Mr. President, I need the names of those people or group of, who are those people na nag-certify, kung sinong grupo yon na sinasabing certified na this can withstand a signal number 4 weather condition.
We will include that in the submissions of the supporting documents, Mr. President,
Thank you,
and they
Mr.
will
President.
identify it as such.
Now, irrigation delivery and funding needs, itong pag-uusapan natin. The project was meant to irrigate 570 hectares, excuse me, for 500 farmers. Tama? Am I correct? You follow me so far?
Is that correct? Can you answer, please? Sorry, Mr. President. Yes, the design service area is for 500 farmers.
Thank you. Yeah, makinig kasi kayo, wag muna magchismisan. Nakikita ko, nagchichismisan, nagbubulok, nakangiti pa si administrator ninyo. Wag, seryoso to. Now, water fails to reach them due to canal damage and lack of maintenance.
Is that correct?
How many hectares are currently receiving actual irrigation? Give me a report. Kasi iba ang sinasabi ng mga magsasaka on the ground na nakausap namin.
Mr. President, if I may just interject. Tama yung alam mo nakita ko yung mga pictures na pinalabas ni Rafi. Parang aqueduct yun yung mga pinakita niya. Just some information. Sa Espanya, yung mga aqueduct panahon pa ng Romans Gumagana pa.
Oh, kita
Imagine.
mo, panahon pa ng Romans.
Panahon ng Romans.
Hindi
gumagana
nabubutas.
pa. Hindi nabubutas. Sa Segovia, it's still running. It's a World Heritage Site. It is 2,000 years old. Sa atin dito, wala pang
1
2
year.
years old.
No, 1 year lang.
1 year
Giba
na. Giba na.
Butas-butas na agad.
Mas magaling pala yung engineer nung panahon ng Romans kaysa engineer na yun. Di ba?
Although wala hong bagyo sa Rome. But I share the concern that
But a
kung 1 or
2,000-year-old
2 years,
aqueduct.
baka naman masyadong maaga, no? Dapat man lang mga 20 plus years, no? Now, to answer the question, 350 hectares of the 520 hectares is irrigated. I mean, umaabot na yung tubig sa 350 hectares. May kulang pa ng almost 200, no? almost 200 hectares, 100 plus hectares because
Land development, sir.
of land development of the farmers themselves. So pagka na-develop ng farmers yung kanilang mga lupa, tsaka ngayon maaabot ng mga 100%.
Okay, kaya nga Mr. President that the project was meant to irrigate 570 hectares, right? Yun eh. And then 500 farmers ang magbe-benefit. Now, you came up with this figure because you did survey sa mga farmers. At sinabi niyo sa mga farmers, ilang kayo? 500, taas kayo, kamay. Sige, lahat kayo aabutin ng 500. Lahat kayo ma-irrigate. Hindi naman kayo maggagawa ng estimate ng wala pa doon actual yung mga farmland na sinasaka ng mga farmers. So itong figure na binigay niyo na 500 farmers ang may kinabang, existing na mga farmers na yon. Meron namang sinasaka. Kaso, nung pumunta kami doon, hindi naman 500 farmers, baka wala pang 100 na mga farmers ang nakikinabang. Mr. President, we did interview some
Well,
farmers.
I agree, no? If the NIA did a survey and there were 500 farmers present, then the understanding is that pagka napatapos yung programa nung yung proyekto, may tubig na sa kanilang mga farms.
Correct. And then I need the names of those 500 farmers that were interviewed by NIA and certified at pumirma yung mga farmers na yun, hey, thank you. At kami pala, 500 kami magikinabang sa Bulo Small Reservoir. Kasi Mr. President, wala pang 100 na mga farmers na nakikinabang.
Yes, they will submit the Irrigators Association documents that will establish or will show that there were 500 farmers in the area, Mr. President.
And I need those names. I need the farmers na pumirma na sinasabing thank you at kami may kinabang yan. And I will send some people again, interviewin lahat yung nasa listahan para masiguro na hindi tayo naglulukuhan dito, Mr. President.
Yes, they will make sure na hindi
Thank you.
tayo naglolokohan dito, Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. President.